Hi, this is Bruce Allman with the Apache Village RV Center, and we are at the 2026 Jayco Homecoming. So we're down here outside the J-Flight Bungalow loft model. Let's take a look.
You're fine. Take as
Yep.
many pictures. Yeah, take your time.
You're good, man.
Yeah, you're good. It'll be good for the video. Everybody thinks you're really interested, right?
What a residential feel you get in this, you know?
Yeah.
Wow.
When you walk in, it's just so tall.
Yeah.
That's what it is. You know, it's tall. There's tons of windows. Look at this. Look at it. You're telling me, give me a lake, give me some property.
Yeah, no kidding.
Stay. You have tons of room for storage.
And when you want to run down there, you got everything you need already.
Yep, you got a residential fridge. Love the windows here. You're washing the dishes. Deer runs across your property, or you're looking at the lake. It's all about the residential feel. Now, what you have too is you have a great loft, as you can see up there. So that's going to be additional sleeping, is what you'll have up there. So you don't lose the square footage of your living room here, because they put a second bedroom or something like that. So you have the loft separated up there for the additional sleeping, but you still have your living room, you still have your kitchen. You have a huge bath in this, which is nice. This is awesome. You've seen that bathroom, Bruce? Nice, isn't it?
It is. It sure
A
is.
lot of room, and then you have we'll call this the upstairs. You got two bedrooms up here. You got one over here. So this is a nice bedroom set up here. And then you have the loft back behind you there. So you actually have, can we call this a 3-bedroom?
Yeah, we can.
We can call this
kids-
thing a 3-bedroom.
The kids got their own space.
Yeah.
You got shelves behind the beds there they built in, so they can get everything set up. What a great unit.
Yep.
You got an air conditioner up here too.
Yeah. Fully ducted air. You have heat up here. Has a heat duct right up here. So
There's one pumping out on you on the left side here as well.
yeah. So it's nice.
Yep.
Show them that master, Bruce. It's huge. Because you got a slide in the master too. Yeah.
Yep, and even
Yeah, tons of room. So you have a true master still. So many of these, again, they cater to the loft. They think the loft is the biggest thing, but you're in it every time, you know, so you need to have a good master bedroom. You have good storage here. Here's some hanging clothes storage here. Look, here's hanging clothes, or it's going to be washer dryer. So again, if you have permanently parked, throw your stacked washer dryer there, or if you wanted a combo, throw a combo there, and then keep this up here for hanging clothes. So you can use it multiple different ways. That's what you could do, but yeah, the jewel of this one, it's the living room, it's the kitchen, it's the 3 bedrooms, sleeping up to 8 to 10 people if you're crazy enough to do it. you could definitely do it in this model. So it's always, again, it's fun seeing new models. This is a good option too.
well, if you got a spot that you have in mind for this unit, ask us about how we can get it there. We can make it happen. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.